welcome to CrochetSmash. Today we are going to make a heart like this one. This is a quick project too, and this can be just a small motif, or you can make a stitch two together and add easier than it is on embroidery, of course. So let us start making. I have 5mm crochet hook and my yarn needle and a Bennett hand crafter yarn. This is cotton. So let us start making a magic circle. I'm going to leave a little longer yarn tail here. Then I'm going to make chain 3. One, 2, 3. Then I'm going to make a 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then it is going to be another chain 3. Tighten this one a little bit. We are going to leave this hole a little bit because we are going to come back to it. Now turn your chain 3, then turn your work. Now make a 3 more double crochet in the same stitch. 2 and 3. Then chain 1. Skip the next 2 double crochets, and we are going to make 4 double crochet on top of the chain 3. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I am going to make again chain 3. Now we are on row 3, so turn and making 3 more double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then chain 1. We are going to make 3 double crochet in this chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. I'm going to the last stitch over here and make 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm all for small projects, so we are going to finish the heart in just a second. Now we are not making chain 3, just a turn the work, not making any chains. Now I am going to yarn over hook and skipping this one and next double crochet, and on the second double crochet I am going to make 9 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we make chain 1 and going to the middle double crochet of the 3 double crochet in the center. So we are using that second double crochet in there, and I'm going to make a slip stitch. Okay, now again I'm going to skip the next chain 1 and the double crochet there, and going to the second double crochet there, and I'm going to make 9 double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we are going to slip stitch to the top of this chain 3, this row beginning there. Okay, now we have this heart. Now I'm going to cut the yarn. Now I'm going to attach the next yarn, that is white. That's also Bernat Handicrafter. So I unravel that as slip stitch and insert the hook there, and I am going to leave a little longer yarn tail of the white, then getting the white and making a slip stitch through this. Now I'm going to make chain 2. And you can see in the slip stitch there is a little bit of space for my hook to go. So I'm making a double crochet, the beginning of a double crochet. I'm not finishing it. Just go through 2 loops and leave the last loop on the hook. Then do the same thing 2 more times. 1 and 2. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over hook and go through all the 4 loops on the hook. Now we are going to see, this is the side row. This is one row. It is ending here, right? So I'm going to do a slip stitch over there. Then you make chain 2, and we can repeat the same thing. Making the cluster. Just finishing it off and go to the base of the next row. Chain 2, then again make a cluster. Now we are going to go to the point of the heart. Now this is the point of the heart, and we made a slip stitch and chain 2. Then we are going to do the same, making a cluster. Two and 3, yarn over and go through all the 4 loops. Now do the slip stitch again into the same stitch. Now we can move on. Chain 2, then another cluster. And yarn over, go through all the loops. Then we are going to the base of the row, then again slip stitch and making chain 2. Then it is the same like the other side. So maybe you can finish this one, and then I will show you how to do the next one, because it is going to be, there is going to be some kind of difference. So I'm going to stitch here a slip stitch. Now we have this turning and the 9 double crochets, right? So 1 2 1, then where is that? This is the turning, and we have our, look here, that's the turning. Then we have so we have 1 stitch, 2 stitch on the second one. Okay, 1 and 2. Here we are going to slip stitch. Then again 1 2 on the third one we are going to slip stitch. Skip the 2. Yeah, these are curved position, so I'm skipping only 1. You can improvise, okay? If you feel like you want one more, just do one more. Then you skip 2 and go to here. No, just skip 1, go here. Then we make one more cluster. We are going to slip stitch on top of that slip stitch, then slip stitch to the next space right here, then chain 2. That's the difference, right? So we slip stitched here and one more here. Now finish all the way up to here. Now I finish this by skipping 1 stitch. Now we are here, so this is coming down, so chain 2, then make one more cluster, we can skip 2 and going into the next one here where we begin. Just be careful into that slip stitch, just be careful holding that yarn tail. No, this one, then go in there into the base of that chain. That's it. Now we are done. I'm going to cut with a long yarn tail and lock this one in place. So tighten that magic circle, then tighten the beginning of the yarn, white yarn tail. You can tie it over here. Now finish off by stitching all the yarn tails in. So here is the heart I made, and here is another one I made. Both are used Bennett handicrafter yarn and 5mm crochet hook. So you can use this one as a mug rug or small coaster, or as an applique. Since these are made in cotton, you can wet block these ones. I would like to use them as some motifs on to embellish my t-shirt. Maybe I will make it with a small thread, and we will see how it goes. So if you like this pattern, please like and subscribe to my channel, share it with your crochet friends, and let my small channel grow. We will see you another time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.